Imagine a landscape frozen in time. Silent cities, concrete tombs glowing faintly in the dusk. For decades, we split the atom, dreaming of limitless energy, but left behind a shadow nuclear waste. Sealed in barrels and buried deep, this waste became a symbol of our hubris, a problem for future generations. The very power that promised utopia left a dangerous ghost, a challenge unsolved for nearly a century. The containers may last centuries, but the waste remains hazardous for millennia. This shadow has shaped our fears, holding us back from fully embracing nuclear energy. But what if this isn't the end of the story? Science is about turning problems into possibilities, transforming endings into beginnings. Perhaps the solution isn't to bury our mistakes, but to see them as untapped potential. The time has come to step out of the shadow and into the light. Across the globe, 450 nuclear reactors have quietly built up over 250,000 metric tons of spent fuel. This waste is stored at hundreds of sites, a growing crisis hidden in plain sight. Managing it costs trillions, draining resources that could fuel progress elsewhere. Every year, thousands more tons are added, a slow drip filling an overflowing basin. Our current strategy is containment, not resolution. Stronger boxes, deeper holes, endless vigilance. Nuclear power could help fight climate change, but fear of its waste keeps us hesitant. To unlock the atom's full potential, we must confront this inheritance. It's time to turn this liability into an asset. Out of this challenge comes a radical idea. What if nuclear waste is a resource, not a curse? Enter Sigmatech, a modular plasma reactor that doesn't just store waste, but transforms it into clean energy. Compact and transportable, each unit can be deployed directly at waste sites, eliminating risky transport. Operated by advanced AI and robotics, it's a closed-loop system, problem and solution side by side. At its core, a plasma torch hotter than the sun breaks down radioactive waste at the atomic level. The process releases energy, which is captured and fed into the local grid. Sigmatech can systematically erase our nuclear legacy, turning hazards into hope. It's not science fiction, it's a paradigm shift. Waste becomes fuel, and the nuclear cycle is finally complete. The numbers are staggering. Each ton of waste processed powers over 1,000 homes for a year. Sigmatech slashes costs, turning $1 trillion liability into $1 trillion asset. Most importantly, it reduces radioactivity by over 99.9%, transforming millennia of danger into harmless material in minutes. The science is elegant. A plasma torch strips atoms apart, breaking unstable elements into safe, stable ones. The released energy is captured as heat, driving turbines to generate electricity. The process is efficient, contained, and leaves behind only safe vitrified material. It's the same principle as other power plants, but fueled by our most persistent problem. Sigmatech uses the energy trapped in waste itself, closing the loop. This is atomic alchemy: waste in, clean power out. Imagine cities once burdened by nuclear waste, now powered by it. Air cleaner, grid stronger, fear replaced by hope. Sigmatech modules can be rapidly deployed, ending a decades-old problem within a generation. For too long, we feared the atom. Now we can harness it to heal the past. This is more than a power plant. It's a new philosophy. No problem is permanent. Humanity has always turned obstacles into opportunities. Now, we do the same with nuclear waste. The story of atomic energy doesn't have to end in a tomb. It can be a story of redemption. With Sigmatech, we unlock the trapped potential of our mistakes. The legacy of the first atomic age was a world shadowed by waste. The legacy of the next will be a world powered by it. Waste is not the end. It's the beginning of a brighter, cleaner future.